What up, people? Coach V, New Breed Boxing. A diamond doesn't lose its value just because no one is looking. That's an old African proverb. I heard that one time and never forgot it. A diamond does not lose its value just because no one is looking. If there's one thing that every single fighter has in common, regardless of their story, their background, their style, all fighters have one thing in common. Whether it's boxing, MMA, doesn't matter. The one common denominator between all fighters is they were grinding in silence when nobody was looking the majority of their career. And when you see them raising their hand in a championship fight and those pivotal moments that very few people get invited to and that can actually thrive and succeed in these big arenas for these giant prestigious titles, recognitions of accomplishment, 99% of the reason why they were put in that position and why they were able to rise to that occasion and dominate the event is because when nobody wanted to meet them at the gym, they still went to the gym. When it was raining out or it was cold out and nobody else wanted to go jogging with them, they went out jogging. When they had no food and they were hungry, but they knew they still had to go hit the gym anyway, they still hit the gym anyway. And on the flip side, I'm noticing in this day and age, one thing I gotta say that I've noticed, and it's good and bad, but it's becoming more bad than good, is you guys are real quick to, the young guys are real quick to record themselves while they're training at the peak of their workout. And then when the camera goes off, they stop working out. In the gym, I see it all the time. Dude just making highlight reels after highlight reels. When you're training, you're supposed to be pushing yourself the whole time. And it's good to record your training sessions. But don't get in that mindset where you just want to look a certain way for a small period of time. And then when the cameras are off, you're a lazy bastard. Because I'm seeing a lot of lazy dudes making themselves look like superstars when you check out their Instagram and you look at their profiles, they look like they're killing it. And if I actually sat down and watched them do a whole session, they're taking more breaks than anything. And that's not how you get to the next level. You got to be able to push yourself nonstop from the beginning of the session to the end. Yeah, there's ebbs and flows. Some days are made for more conditioning and it's slow, steady type of working out. Other days are more geared towards high intensity stuff. So you're going to mix it up. But just keep in mind, when the cameras are off is when you should be going the hardest. And then if you continue to do that, you will eventually be in a position where you ain't got to record yourself. Somebody else is going to be recording you. And there's going to be a lot of people watching you. And it's going to be because you didn't give a shit if nobody was watching you when you was by yourself in the gym or by yourself on that cold, dark road at 4 a.m. doing your road work. And that's the difference between those who are content with just faking it and the ones that are really destined to make it. So anyway, I just want to say that real quick because it's something that was bothering me. I've seen a lot of guys that got mad potential, but they starting falling victim to drinking their own Kool-Aid and becoming a fan of their own videos and stuff. And I'm like, dude, if you're just content with making the highlight reels and just be a fitness model, but if you want to actually achieve greatness competitively, then know that you're going up against somebody else who's grinding when the camera's off. And you got to be that kind of guy if you want to beat that kind of guy. And you got to take it to the next level. And you got to maintain it. And then the day that you don't want to do it no more, then you step away. But you got to maintain that drive through and through consistently. So anyway, I just want to say that little message, little PSA to the guys in the gym, the young guys coming up. Remember, a diamond don't lose its value just because no one is looking. And once you got that opportunity, you're going to shine brighter than everybody else. Anyway, I just want to keep it positive. Enjoy your weekend. Hope you found this informative. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Go check out my Instagram, Coach.V_. Until the next time we out here. Ow.